In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an out-of-office reply in Gmail. Whether you're going on vacation, attending a conference, or simply stepping away from your inbox for a few days. Setting an automatic reply is a courteous way to inform your contacts that you won't be responding to their emails right away. Let's walk through the process step by step, so you can enjoy your time off without worrying about your email. First things first, open your web browser and sign in to your Gmail account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page of your inbox. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a small gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select See All Settings to access the full array of options Gmail offers to customize and manage your account. This is the gateway to fine-tuning your Gmail experience, including setting up your out-of-office reply. Now that you're in the settings menu, take a moment to scroll down until you find a section labeled Out-of-Office Auto Reply. This is where you'll configure your automatic response. Before diving into the specifics, it's worth noting that setting up an out-of-office reply is a simple way to manage expectations and maintain professionalism, even when you're not actively monitoring your inbox. To activate the auto reply feature, click on the option that says Out of Office Auto Reply On. By doing so, you're telling Gmail that you'd like to send an automated response to incoming emails during your specified absence. Next, you'll need to set the first day of your absence. This is the date when your automatic reply will start being sent to people who email you. It's a good idea to set this to the day you're leaving or even the day before if you won't be checking your email frequently. This way, you ensure that no one is left waiting for a reply unnaturally long. Once you've set the start date, it's time to think about the content of your message. Start with the subject line. This should be concise and clear. Something like out of office or on leave works just fine, but feel free to use whatever subject line you think best conveys your message. After setting the subject, move on to the body of your message. Here is where you can be a bit more detailed. Let people know why you're away, how long you'll be gone, and whether or not you'll have access to email. If someone else can be contacted in your absence, this is a great place to include their contact information. Remember, the goal here is to communicate effectively, so clarity is key. Once you're satisfied with your subject line and message, you're almost done. Before you finish, take a moment to double check the information you've entered to ensure everything is accurate and conveys the right message. If everything looks good, it's time to save your changes. To do this, look for the Save Changes button. It might seem like a small step, but clicking this button is crucial. It finalizes your settings, ensuring that your out-of-office reply will be sent as intended. Once you've clicked Save Changes, you're all set. Your out-of-office auto reply is now active, and you can go about your business knowing that your contacts will be informed of your absence. In summary, setting up an out-of-office reply in Gmail is a straightforward process that can save you a lot of trouble down the line. It keeps your contacts informed and helps manage expectations, ensuring smooth communication even when you're not available. By following these simple steps, you can set up your own out-of-office reply and enjoy peace of mind during your time off.